Hello and welcome to another update video. Today I want to cover ING. I do always give my best to cover requests, especially from channel members. Unfortunately, I can't always do this. Day only has 24 hours. I do need to prioritize, and it is a really difficult balance to have. However, today I decided to cover ING. A few channel members did request that, and yeah, we look at the chart, and what do we see? I don't see an attractive chart. I have to say that very clearly. What you generally need to remember that a lot of altcoins are risky. Yeah, altcoins are risky. There can be theoretically an infinite amount of altcoins, and I really urge you to definitely at least think closely about what you invest in, what you buy. Now, I'm not saying ING is a bad project. That's completely off topic. We are talking here about charts. I'm not saying it's necessarily a bad chart, but it is still a low quality chart. Yeah, it is not as high quality as many of the other charts out there. And my impression and my view is generally that, especially for most people, yeah, it is just too much of a difficult market to have a play with those low quality charts. Because this could certainly become something bullish, but there is currently no signal. There is no sign of it. There is no sign of reversal. I can only see a chart that did rally, luckily in 5 waves in 2021. So on the log chart, you see that even clearer. It is a 5-wave move to the upside. At least it appears to be one, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is an impulse, which would form a higher level wave 1, higher degree wave 1. Yeah. However, the way we then came down, not great. I mean, generally what you would expect is here, the wave A down, then a wave B to the upside in a 3-wave move, and the wave C down in 1, 2, and then we've got 2 possibilities here. I mean, 1, 2, and then we could say this is another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this wave 5 would only finish off this smaller 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. Well, let me label that. Why not label it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 waves down. But this would not end this because, and I'm gonna change the color in a minute. We have here the 1, 2 as well, and then 3, 4, 5. Change that here and make it a different color so you see it better. But that's sort of my assessment of this, really my view of this, that really you've got here a 1, 2, 3. We only finished so far a wave 3 to the downside, a bit like Bitcoin, and a 4 up, and that the wave 5 down is still coming, because the move up at the moment looks corrective to me. It could be something bullish, but there is just no evidence, and it makes a corrective impression, yeah, which means there should be one more impulse down, not only based on the wave count, but also looking at the chart, looking at all these overlaps here. And yeah, this could be some kind of a diagonal to the upside, but then again, diagonal patterns are always less reliable. And here I come back to my main argument. It is just too much of a difficult market to play around with low quality charts. Why would I, if I have let's say a fairly clear setup with some high quality charts, why would I try to do this? I mean, it's up to you, right? It's just my view. I just don't see it at the moment. Now, again, I'm not saying this couldn't become something, but my personal choice would be I'm not going to touch it because there are just much better charts out there. And especially if I look at the Fibonacci retracements, yeah, I always need to start at 0 here. But look at where we've landed. We've landed in the middle of nowhere. We've come down below the 88.7% Fib level. Never a good sign, that would be at $3.09. We are now at just half of that. We've literally lost all support. And I mean, yeah, this is at the moment nothing I would be very attracted by. Yeah, and I don't see a reason to go long here personally. And that's my view. Only really if we see a strong signal here, possibly above the wave 4 high, but even then, this is still not enough of a signal. I would want to see an impulse to the upside, and then we can talk. But the problem is, as long as we are below the 88.7% fib level, a bullish scenario is unreliable anyway. Okay, and this is my update about ING. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.